AST Bearings is a value-added supplier of bearing and bearing-related products. For more than 50 years, AST has been supplying customers with miniature, instrument, and precision thin-section bearings to a wide variety of markets for both the distribution and OEM customers.
The company can trace its origins to 1946, when the Reichman brothers founded Servo Systems. Servo Systems was a distributor of electromechanical products. In 1967, they merged with a competitor, American Surplus Trading, or AST. AST was also a distributor of electromechanical products, but also sold bearings. In 1969, the company was acquired by the Vernitron Corporation, and during the 70s and 80s, the bearings became the core product. In 1985, the company moved to Montville, New Jersey, our present location. In 1988, Vernitron divested the Servo Systems portion of the business, and we became just AST Bearings.
It seems that everybody now wants more. The manufacturers are looking for more volume. They continue to make acquisitions. They want more volume. The customers want more in terms of services and to be able to rely on their suppliers to do more. So there's a gap between what the manufacturers are looking for and what the end users are looking for, the customers are looking for. AST really serves that bridge between the manufacturer and the end user of the products, because they can provide so many services that the manufacturers choose not to, whether it be engineering for special applications, special lubrication requirements that the customers have, special packaging. The manufacturers are looking for the volume and not to provide those type of services. AST's a great acquisition for Motion Industries because they serve that gap.
AST Bearings offers a full array of products for our customers, everything from miniature and instrument bearings all the way up to larger bore product. We have over 15,000 SKUs in stock, offering our customers multiple different inventory management programs such as just-in-time, Kanban, ship-to-sell, or hold for release. We have more than $8 million of inventory within AST. About $6.5 million is located here in Montville, New Jersey, and approximately $1.5 million is out in our Yorba Linda, California warehouse. Where I'm standing now here in our middle warehouse, we have more than 50% of that $6.5 million located right here in this room, due to the fact that our high-precision miniature bearings are all stored within this warehouse.
We're a production parts supplier to OEMs, so quality is of paramount importance. If you ship product that is not of the highest quality, you could shut a customer's line down.
AST serves several purposes in the marketplace. One of the things that makes them different is their engineering expertise and application knowledge. When you deal with AST, they have their sales broken down into teams. And these teams involve not only someone who is on the sales side, but they also have technical support to work with the team to provide the customers with what they need.
At AST, our value-added services are what really separate us from our competition. All of our customers ultimately use our value-added services to one degree or another. These services include engineering. Our engineering package is quite comprehensive, bearing cleaning and relubrication, custom packaging, and also our sub-assembly product line. We have a terrific engineering team here at AST. They're really excited to work with our customers, and they do a great job.
Well, AST Engineering acts as an information partner with our sales team. We support them with all kinds of technical support about bearing technology, product knowledge, how to install bearings. I mean, pretty much you name it about questions about bearings, most likely we'll have the answers.
For the past 25 years, AST has been recognized as an industry leader in the custom cleaning and relubrication of bearings. We routinely lubricate millions of bearings a year. Here in Montville, we specifically designed our facilities for cleaning and relubrication. The first step in the process is cleaning. And here we have a vapor degreasing system. It's programmable, it's automated, and it produces consistent cleaning results. The great thing about the vapor degreasing process is it results in completely residue-free parts. and we utilize ultrasonic energy to actually scrub the bearings, and they're perfectly clean when they come out. After cleaning, bearings are transported to the clean room. This is a Class 7 clean room, and bearings are lubricated at Class 5 workstations within the clean room. Control of contamination is critical, particularly with miniature bearings. In order to support our engineering and quality assurance departments, we maintain a world-class metrology lab in our Montville, New Jersey facility. Included in the lab is a great deal of sophisticated test equipment used exclusively for the measurement of precision bearings. Our engineers continually work with our customers to solve difficult problems. Often the solution is for AST to provide a mechanical subassembly that uses our bearings. Our technicians are trained in handling and installing bearings, so often the assembly is much more reliable when produced by AST. We also have a global network of suppliers that provide the machine parts and other components that go with the bearings. Bearing failure or post-service analysis is an engineering service that many of our customers take advantage of. It's an acquired skill, and our engineers have great experience at analyzing bearings. The microscope is used to examine the bearing components. By examining the bearing components under a microscope, we can determine the operating conditions the bearing was subjected to, such as misalignment, mounting conditions, whether heat was present in the bearing, lubrication failure, cage failure, and other things. As an importer, AST's facilities are ideally located. In Montville, we're located near the Port of New York, and in Yorba Linda, we're located near the Port of Long Beach. Our goods come in from overseas and can be cleared and shipped to our facilities same day. This reduces the lead time to the customers.
I think the number one thing I'd want branches and customers to know about AST is that we have over 50 years of experience in this field, and we bring a lot of expertise, whether it's which manufacturer to go to for a particular application, or which lube to use for a particular application, or even what are some of the other value-added services that we can provide them for the application. That no one application is, should say, standard. Everyone seems to have their own needs beyond the bearing. So not only can we provide the right bearing for the right part, but also the custom value-added services that go along with it. So that's what I want them to know. We're very flexible, we're innovative, and we have a lot of expertise in this field.
As part of the Motion family, we have a stake in their success. So we are committed to working with the branches to provide solutions to their customers and help grow and drive their business.
AST has a group of field service engineers. And again, that's a very particular product area that they serve, this precision and high-speed bearing. So they can send their field engineers directly to our branch to work with our customers to solve very unique application problems.
One branch that's dealing with a large food processing plant, and with food processing, everything's got to be super clean, and they use a very caustic wash-down chemical to wash down the equipment, and it was just tearing apart the bearings. So the Motion representative called me and said, well, what can we do? He said, we're thinking about a ceramic bearing. So we were able to design a ceramic bearing with all ceramic parts and all ceramic cage material, and then send the prints to the customer so that the customer could sign off on them and make sure they were right. And then we actually took the first order for these custom applied ceramic bearings to solve this problem.
Our tagline is value beyond the part, and it really does ring true. We survey our customers, and time again, we see that's one of the main reasons they do business with us.
AST should be your first call when you have bearing needs. We can level the playing field with anyone in the industry so that we provide you the right part at the right price on time.
They are a recent acquisition to the company, but like a lot of our operations that were acquired, were independent companies at one time, we really need to welcome AST into the Motion family. As they grow and their business succeeds, so goes the success of Motion Industries.